2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara Edition. We did some special stuff to it. So these Jeeps usually come with one of these to equalize the size difference from this side to this side, the pipe difference in length. So MagnaFlow apparently sells round pipe delete, I guess, or I know the name of it, but I forgot, or my mind went blank. Anyways, part number 15313, basically it deletes this, where it equalizes the length of the pipe, there and there. So that's how you install it. We get it welded in for you guys. We don't like clamps, so we always weld them. It looks better and don't leak, as you guys can see right there. And that replaced this, because you see the length in size from this side to this side. And then there's the factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single there. He also brought his own MagnaFlow glass pack, part number 18146, right there, as you guys can see. And then we also did a muffler delete for him and wired it out and dualed it out on each side there. And they're all 2 1/4 with a custom Y pipe and everything, as you guys can see in the work. He didn't want any tips. He wanted it just keep it like that. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Complete system for him. There'll be a link in the description for all the stuff we've done to it. There's the old exhaust that was on it right there. There's the resonator, and there was no muffler on it at all in the pipe. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Jeep Wrangler with MagnaFlow glass pack and loop delete. Again, your sound decibels right at 97. Again, go ahead and back it up. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know. I think it needs a smaller glass pack. Give it a little bit more deep tone. Let you guys hear on the inside. Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited with a loop delete, MagnaFlow glass back, and duals out the back. Straight pipe. All right. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys.